Up until now, Abus have dominated the folding lock market. Not only did they invent this style of bike lock, they were also the only company that had their folding locks certified by Sold Secure. And since I only recommend locks that have been tested and rated Sold Secure Silver or above, so far, I've only recommended Abus folding locks. I've been using the new FoldyLock Compact for a couple of months now. In this review, I'll cover how secure it is and how easy it is to carry around and use on a daily basis. At the end, I'll also look at some of the alternatives in case it's not quite best lock for you. How secure is the FoldyLock Compact? The FoldyLock Compact has been tested by Sold Secure and awarded a silver rating. This makes it a good mid-security lock for lower risk circumstances. It also means that it offers more or less the same level of protection as the Abus Bordeaux 6000 folding lock. You get 3 keys with the FoldyLock. Like most decent bike locks, they come with a code for ordering new keys. But unlike most other bike locks, these are internal cut keys. This type of keys are difficult to replicate, and the mechanisms are difficult to pick. So this adds to the security of the FoldyLock. However, folding locks are rarely as secure as comparable U-locks. The steel bars are thinner than U-lock shackles, meaning they are more likely to succumb to bolt cutters. And the pins that join the bars together are vulnerable to attack by both bolt cutters. Is the FoldyLock easy to carry? This is where folding locks really excel, and the FoldyLock is no exception. In fact, it's actually even easier to transport than the Abus folding locks. The problem with traditional U-locks is that they have a rigid shape. This means that when they're attached to your bike frame, their center of gravity is away from the frame, and this makes it difficult to keep them securely in place as you ride around. So U-locks often tend to rattle about, work loose, and sometimes even fall off. This means that not only are they much more visually discreet than U-locks, you'll also have none of the transport problems you get with a U-lock. They won't rattle, they won't work loose, and they should never fall off. Variations of the FoldyLock. 1. The FoldyLock Classic. The FoldyLock Compact is an evolution of a previous lock called the FoldyLock Classic. The Classic looks the same as the Compact and works in exactly the same way, but it's longer, 95 cm, heavier and significantly bulkier. In terms of security, this probably means there's not much difference between them. And indeed, the Classic has the same Sold Secure Silver rating as the Compact. So how do you choose between them? Well, really it comes down to whether you need that extra length. While the Compact will give you 70 cm of internal space, the Classic will give you 80 cm. This is quite a lot for a folding lock. For example, it's also 5 cm more than the 3 Abus Bordeaux 6000. It is slightly heavier than the Abus lock as well though, and that makes a big difference when you're carrying it about. The 70 cm of internal space is more than enough for me in the vast majority of situations. Plus it's cheaper. 2. The Clipster. Although the frame mount that comes with the FoldyLock is one of the most convenient and dependable transport systems that I've tested, some people just don't want to carry their lock on their frame. So for those people, the FoldyLock is now available in a new variation called the Clipster. It's exactly the same lock, but with the addition of a built-in clip that allows you to fasten the lock to your belt, pocket, or bag for even easier carrying. I've tested the Clipster, and it works really well. As long as you got something to clip it to, it will reduce the time spent locking and unlocking your bike even further. For more details, check my mini review here. 3. FoldyLock Compact Pride. FoldyLock have also released a special Pride version of the Compact to celebrate diversity in the community. It's exactly the same functionality-wise as the standard Compact, but has a full-on rainbow paint job. We hope you found our in-depth review helpful and informative. Comment below if you have any questions about this review or explanation. Thanks for watching.